Hi, my name is Bri, and I am a retreat leader. Now, I've been doing this for a couple years now, but originally I come from massage therapy and Reiki. That has been part of my life for about 18 years. I knew at a very young age that I loved making people feel comfortable in their body. And as I ventured into doing massage, I discovered that a lot of clients were having these immense, profound emotional releases on my table. And so, with that, I started becoming very trauma informed. It also allowed me to look and feel and understand how, in the way that our body and our heart and our mind all connect, is this amazing connection and energy that we tap into anytime we are healing or we're releasing and stepping into those moments of transformation. Now, when you work with me, when you come to a retreat, when you come to a class, that transformational experience is just part of it. I chose the name Mariposa for my retreat business because butterflies have always been, one, an amazing symbol, as many of you know, in the sense of just humans and what we believe in. But it's also an animal that shows up regularly for me. And the butterfly, even though it is very gorgeous, it is also very resilient. It goes on this long migration. It's through generations. And if you love nature like I do, I'm sure you have seen how butterflies sometimes will feed off of carcasses. And there's something powerful in remembering that life and death is a constant cycle that we are all part of. And with that, many sheddings of who we are will happen in one lifetime. For me, I've walked through many chapters of grief, of transformation, of what we would say are heavy points in life. And my beliefs carried me through, and that's also what you find when you're working with me. Not only do you understand and start to learn somatic activated healing therapy, you also fully get to feel that connection of when you are heart centered, how life just becomes a little easier. You know what's right for you, you know what's wrong for you, or you understand that there is really no right or wrong. The retreat to paradise is a vision that I have had for a very long time. I had my child quite young, and when I knew that I was going to give birth to him, I understood that the first little part of my life would be about mothering, and then it'd be about myself, and then I knew I would be stepping into a large way to serve. And it was this little vision I had when I was about 19 or 18. I was in a group of other women, of other people, of men, and I could just feel this immense energy moving through, and had like a moment where I was meeting people and I was watching them, and I could understand that it was a vision and not me meeting my guides or a past life memory. And as the years have gone by, I walked into that vision with the retreat to paradise. Now, this is coming up in February 2025, and right now it's on a promotional price. And we got our first booking yesterday. But if you are looking for a transformational experience, then please come join. If you'd like to take a class, I have weekly classes. I also have larger classes I put on. And if we are in the same area locally, I always find a spot to work from. So in current years, I'm in Hawaii and Alaska and the Northwest a lot. But Hawaii's home, and I love connecting. I love networking. The amount of collaboration that I see coming from other healers, from people stepping into their purpose in current years, is amazing. I remember when I first entered the world of wellness, and it was such a breakthrough when somebody could talk about these deeper feelings we all feel, or the concept that we know we are connected. So I invite you to come connect, come chat, come be part of our nOMad collective, come to the retreat to paradise, and experience something with me. Thank you.